to make soap. Making of soap, a process of making soap is known as saponification. And to make soap, we need NaOH, acetic acid, water, salt, and coconut oil. Or you can take any essential oil. Okay. You can made it at your home, but you all need to have NaOH lye and acetic acid, which you can't buy from the market easily. Otherwise, all the other ingredients you can easily.
Is it prohibitive? It is prohibited, otherwise it cannot be bought by the one.
Sir, because it is a chemical and it is
Dangerous
for us, so it is not available in the market.
Good.
So, for making soap, for making bathing soap, we need a KOH, potassium hydroxide, or for making washing soap, we need NaOH. Right? Okay? So, I made both the soaps yesterday. So, firstly, we need 15 ml of NaOH and 50 ml of water. We made a solution of NaOH and water, and then we mix it gradually. Like, we don't mix it like quickly. We need to stir it slowly, and we take 60 ml of coconut oil, and I heat a coconut oil at 60 degrees Celsius, and then I add that solution into the coconut oil, which I already prepared, like NaOH and water solution, and I heat it up like for 12 to 15 minutes. After that, I add acetic acid. I add acetic acid because it balances the pH. For making soap, like our pH value is between 8 to 10, and as we know, NaOH is a basic, so to maintain the pH value, I add acetic acid, and then I stir it gradually for 10 to 15 minutes. At the end, we can add any fragrance or color. I add brown color and add fragrance, and then I put the mixture. I put the mixture into the mold. I put the mixture into the mold and leave it for 48 hours. And after that, when soap is ready. Yes, the major thing is like it is not to mention it here. Like as I am chemical engineer, so it is important to optimize the product. So we have to measure the raw materials which we take in before the process, and we have to measure the product. So that's
Well tried.